Hello, it's John Neal here. It's Tuesday the 3rd of June 2025 and it's a special day because they said that the roadworks would be finished and Higham Lane would be open, but as you can see it's still closed. Road closed, no through road. And on top of that we've got an advance warning for 2 months. Work starts here tomorrow, basically on the 4th, and I'm not quite sure what they're doing. So I've rung the number on here. I did ring them last Friday and they didn't answer back, so now I've just rung again and apparently the chap's on the phone, so he's going to get back to me shortly.
Well, somebody did get back to me and very kindly explained, I think it was the works manager, that they have work to do going from the centre of town near Sainsbury's and bring the electric supply right to the top of Higham Lane, because it's the only place that they can access the sort of supply that they need, and it will take quite a long time to do. If that's what they're going to do, my goodness, that's going to be a long extension lead.
So these junctions are going to be opened at 4 o'clock this afternoon apparently, which is the 3rd, which is when they said it would be, so that's all well and good. But unfortunately these very nice new traffic lights won't be working for a full week, so there will be temporary traffic lights up apparently, but they will be working to allow us back and forwards through this junction and then hopefully up to the A5 as well.
Here you can see the workforce just doing a few finishing touches to the junction of Caesar Drive and Higham Lane. I'm wondering if there's any other Roman names of roads that they would want. Actually on the left I don't think they're going to do that. It's another firm that are building those houses. But I get this, if there's a cul-de-sac, would you call it Ides of March? Yep, because it's a dead end.
Well, there you have it. I'll have to sign off here, but it doesn't say that the road is closed. It's going to be opened, it seems, later today or tomorrow, but the traffic lights proper won't be working. There will be some temporary ones here because I haven't got them working yet, but at least the road will be open. So all in all, they're getting there eventually, and we're getting there, getting everything back to normal as soon as we can. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and you'll see me next time. Okay, bye bye.